Halloween is almost here, and it's time to shine with a spooky cute accessory. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step and super easy tutorial on how to crochet these spider web gloves. You can even make matching sets with your friends, add some black nail polish, and surprise everyone with your Halloween style. Let's start crocheting! If it's your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to use other crocheting tutorials. And ask me your questions in the comments, I always answer. This is my 3mm hook, and this is the yarn I want to use. It's better to use a black yarn, especially if you want to use it for Halloween, but you can use a white yarn too. I'm going to use this yarn because you're going to see the stitches better. First, I want to make one slip knot, so use your index finger, make an X shape here, and pull it through there. Okay, now I want to insert my hook, hold the knot and pull the working tail, which is the long one. Okay, now I want to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. As you see, each chain looks like a V. Do you see them here? Okay. Now I want to make double crochet inside of the first chain that I made. So you need to yarn over, hold the slip on your hook with your thumb and index finger, and insert your hook inside of the first chain that you made. You see? Right there. Now yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again pull through 2 loops. This is one double crochet. Now again, I want to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Again, inside of here, the very first chain that you made, I want to make another double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, and pull through 2. Again, I want to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to repeat this 6 times. Again, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Again, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, insert your hook inside of the same place. Yarn over and pull through 2, and pull through 2. We need to do this 2 more times. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, and make 1 double crochet. Again, 1 more time. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. And again, you need to chain 3. Okay, now I want to make 1 slip stitch inside of the third chain here. So let's count them from here. 1, 2, 3. So insert your hook inside of the third chain. Yarn over and pull through. Now I want to make 1 slip stitch. So pull this one through this one. Like this. Now you must have 7 gaps around the circle. This was the round 1. Do you see this pattern here? You must be able to crochet by reading these patterns. As you see, first I chained 7, then 1 double crocheted, and again chain 3. I repeated this 6 times, and then I made 1 slip stitch. Right? Now I want to start round 2. First I want to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. On top of this double crochet, I want to make a treble crochet. To make the treble crochet, you need to yarn over twice. Insert your hook under the V shape on top of the double crochet, yarn over and pull through. Now I have 4 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. We call that one treble crochet, and as you see here, it is TRC. Now I want to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the next double crochet. I'm going to make one treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook under the V shape of the next double crochet, yarn over and pull through. 1, 2, and 3. Again, chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need to repeat this pattern 6 times until here, and then I'm gonna see you. Okay, after repeating this 6 times, now I want to make slip a stitch inside of the 4th chain in here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through again. Okay, this is the end of the round 2, and I want to start the round 3. First you need to chain 13. 1, 2, 3, and so on. After the 13 chains, on top of this treble crochet under the V shape, I want to make one treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook under the V shape on top of the treble crochet, yarn over and pull through, and make one treble crochet. Now you need to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You need to repeat this 6 times. One treble crochet on top of the treble crochet of the previous round, and then chain 9. Repeat this until the end of the round, then I'm gonna meet you. Okay, after repeating this pattern 6 times, again I want to make one slip stitch inside of the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert your hook and make one slip stitch. This is the end of the round 3. Now I want to start round 4. For the round 4, first you need to chain 16. 1, 2, 3, and so on. After the 16 chains, I want to make a treble crochet on top of this treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook under the V shape, right there, yarn over and pull through, and make one treble crochet. Now again, you need to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, just like the pattern, after the 12 chain, I need to make one treble crochet, so yarn over twice, insert your hook, and make one treble crochet. 1, 2, and 3. After the treble crochet, what you see in there is to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I need to repeat this one more time. One treble crochet and chain 6. So yarn over twice, one treble crochet, 1, 2, 3, and again chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After repeating this pattern 2 times, again I need to make 1 treble crochet and chain 12, and I need to repeat this 3 times. So 1 treble crochet, now I want to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And I need to repeat this 1 treble crochet and 12 chains 3 times. I'm going to meet you after repeating this. Okay, after repeating this for 3 times, and this is the last one, 1 treble crochet and 12 chains, I want to slip a stitch inside of the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert your hook and make 1 slip a stitch. Now I want to show you how to crochet the straps. First you need to chain 1, okay, and turn it. Now I want to make 6 slip stitches inside of these chains. So insert your hook, this is the first one, inside of the chain, yarn over and pull through again. To make the slip stitches easier, don't hold the working tail so tight with your index finger. It needs to be loose. This was 1, again inside of the next chain, 2, again inside of the next one, 3, and so on. Make 6 slip stitches. After 6 slip stitches, I want to chain. I want to chain 20, but if your wrist is larger than mine, you can chain more. So I want to chain 20, 1, 2, 3, and so on. After the 20 chains, or any number that you need to make, inside of the second chain from the hook, I want to make 1 slip stitch. Okay, again inside of the next chain, 1 slip stitch. You need to make a slip stitch inside of the chains until you get here. Okay, after making slip stitches, this is going to be the first strap. Again here, and the rest of the chains, again I want to make slip stitches. And you need to make 6 slip stitch on this part. 1, 2, and so on. You need to make 6 slip stitches here and 6 more here until you get to this place. Okay, again, when you get here, you need to chain 20 or more and make slip stitches inside of the chains and come back to this place. After making the slip stitches and the second strap, you need to make 6 more slip stitches here to get to this place. Okay, after the last slip stitch, I want to cut the yarn. So pull it and cut the yarn. Before showing you how to hide the tails, this one and this one, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. It really helps my channel. Thank you. Okay, to hide the tails, you just need to make some knots. And this is how I'm going to make knots. Pull the tail through this place and pull it through itself. And pull it. I want to do it more times. This was 2 times, and let me do it one more time. 3 times. Okay, now you can cut this tail. I want to do the same thing for the other one, just like this. First, let me pull it through here. Okay. And bring it out. And bring it out. And do the same thing 2 more times and cut the rest of the tail. You can crochet the second one with the same pattern just like this one. Now I want to show you how to wear it. From this strap we have a big gap here, 2 little, and 2 more big here. I will insert my middle finger and ring finger inside of the little ones, then my index finger inside of the big one, and the little finger inside of the big one, like this. And then insert your thumb and pull it. Wow, it's gorgeous. And then you need to tie knot 2 times with these straps. Okay, like this. 1, okay, just like this. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and have a good Halloween. See you in the next video, guys.